Let me show you what I have growing in my Greenstalk planter. As you can see, I have a shade cloth draped over it, supported by 2 hoops. I also have an automatic watering system installed on the planter. I have this planter sitting on a spinner as well, a spinner base, so that I can easily spin the planter around. But with the automatic watering system attached, that hinders the process. So I have to remove the hose, which is secured by 5 clips, which are easy to clip on and take off. I also have one plant support attached to this planter to help support vining plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, pole beans, and any large plant that needs that support. I have in this planter section some onions, which I will be thinning out and putting into empty pockets of this planter shortly. I have also California Wonder Sweet Pepper next. I also have cucumbers and zucchini plants. As well as broccoli. The broccoli are taking so long to head up, but I guess soon they will start to put on some heads on them. Here in this pocket I have some Swiss chard, and just below I have a cucumber which has out flowers at the moment. Just next to the cucumber I have some tomatoes. They are not looking well. One of them isn't looking so great. I guess I have to fertilize it, or probably just remove it altogether. Here in this pocket I have some collards. These are collard greens. And in this pocket I have some rutabaga. Now in this pocket I have some spinach. I regrew this from store-bought spinach. I just took some clippings and root them and transplanted them into these pockets. Below I have some more broccoli. Here I have more collards. Here I have some more spinach. And here I have more California Wonder peppers. Now these California Wonder pepper, the seeds are a free gift that I got when I got the planter. They are multicolored. So I'll know what color the bell peppers are when they start to ripen. This is all I have right now, but we'll soon be adding some seedlings that I have started. I will give another update when those other plants are added to this planter. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.